Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nibble bowl. Today I'm sharing quinoa fried rice. It's a quick and healthy recipe. For this recipe I'm using called quinoa. I already cooked it and cooled down completely. Make sure to cool the quinoa. To know how to cook quinoa, you can check the curd quinoa recipe we already uploaded. So let's start. I'm heating a pan and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, then 1 egg, pinch of salt and pepper powder, then scrambled it. Now I am transferring to a plate. Again, I am adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to the same pan, then adding 2 pods of chopped garlic, Now I am adding 1/4 of chopped onion. We can stir well until it gets soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped carrot. One tablespoon of green peas. 1 chopped baby corn, 1 tablespoon of corn, 1 tablespoon of beans, then stir well. Don't overcook these vegetables. Now I am sprinkling some salt, then stir well. This is the time to add cooked quinoa and mix it together. We don't need to add more salt to it because I have already added a pinch of salt, pepper powder and turmeric powder while cooking quinoa. tasty quinoa fried rice is ready to serve. I am garnishing with scrambled egg, fresh carrots and coriander leaves. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get more exciting and delicious recipes like this. Like and share with your loved ones. See you next time. Keep watching.